Life on this planet is made up of a beautiful but very fragile web of interconnected species and environments. We call this biodiversity, and it is the collection of all the different genes, species, and ecosystems in a region. The Earth has 895 separate ecological regions. They are home to over 4,000 different species of mammals, 270,000 species of plants, and 950,000 species of insects. The more biologically diverse the region, the better its chances of survival. We can think of biodiversity in three ways. Genetic biodiversity measures how much variety there is in the gene pool of a particular species. When threatened by disease, those species with a more diverse gene pool are more likely to produce individuals who are able to survive and procreate. Those with smaller gene pools can be wiped out forever. The same principle holds true for species diversity. The more kinds of species in a particular ecosystem, the more likely it is to overcome threats such as natural disasters and climate change. Finally, ecosystem diversity measures the number and variety of different ecosystems in a region. The more diverse the region, the more likely it is for life to survive there when catastrophic events occur. Human beings have a peculiar relationship with biodiversity. On the one hand, we rely on a large variety of species in our environment to help keep our water clean, regulate our climate, control pests and disease, and provide us with food, shelter, clothing, and medicine. But human beings today tend to work against biodiversity. Even though there are over 80,000 species of plants that are potentially edible, we choose only 30 of them to supply 90% of the calories in our diet. Just 14 animal species make up 90% of our livestock, and we've only tested 1% of the plants in the world's rainforest for their potential medicinal value, even though half our medicine is made from natural substances. The choices we make in our farming, logging, and urban development are crowding out a lot of the species that make up the biodiversity on our planet. And because these species are so interdependent, when one gets wiped out, it can cause other ones to disappear too. And if we're not careful, one day one of those species might just be us.